This is my first Lego show for YouTube. So what you'll be needing now is a yellow cornered two piece. You're gonna need another one of those, but only green. You're gonna need 3-4 flat pieces, brown, red, and green. You're gonna need 1 4 long piece for red.
So got 8 little dots.
You're gonna need 2 of these that have 4 dots. They're green, 2 of them. You're gonna need a 1x2 cornered. You're gonna need 1x2 red, and another one of those cornered 1x2. You're gonna need a cornered 2x2 yellow. You're gonna need another 1x2 green, and you're also gonna need like this thing that kind of looks like an air vent. So here, let's get started. You're gonna need to do. I just added eyes and a beak. So what we're making is a miniature bird. You're gonna grab the red
Miniature bird.
and then you're gonna go like that. So far we're gonna have the beak and the head, this 2x2 short flat piece, and also the 1x2 thick. You're gonna need
Dynamite. We're gonna have some team.
Pause it for a second.
I can't pause it.
Oh, never mind. Just a second. I gotta go hit something.
TNT and Dynamite. Oh god. Sorry, I just made his video look funny. TNT and Dynamite.
So this is how I got the right pieces.
To get this back.
Yeah, it's called
very
Creator. And
Creationary.
So we have the head and the feathers so far.
Hey.
We're gonna need
Dynamite.
these 2 pieces. And then you put this one right here, and this one here in this hole. And you got that. You got part of the body. You got part of the whole body done. Now to do the feathers. You're gonna do. You can use these or a flat, just like this, but it has to be green. So you put these on the bottom. Then you got the starting of the tail. Grab this piece, the 2x2 flat. Put that right there. And then you get the 2x4 piece. You put it kind of like this. So if you use these 4 and you put them right here.
These 4 in the middle.
4 in the middle. You get those 4 and these.
So there's 2 sticking out, right?
So you put those right there, and then you got the wings so far. And then you put the yellow cornered 2x2 like that. And then you get these 2 pieces. You can also use it kind of like this one, but it has to be green. You put the thing that looks like an air vent on it, on the very end, so they're both connected. And this is exactly how it goes. The air vent goes like right there, but it's not actually an air vent, but... And then for the feet is the 2x4 brown.
That smells good, Daddy.
And that's how you make a miniature bird.
Ain't that cool?
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Bye.
Bye.